Welcome to Echotraders. Looking at a trade here on the YM, a nice small trade from support area right here at 729. That's yesterday's low. That's retested this morning, and we're using that to spring off of a support area. Main target here is 19,756. We'll see if the market will get there. My name is Dale Elliott. It is New Year's. So this is, we're going to extend this here support across here. And that market came right back down into our 23 at 19,729. We'll put in a higher low, and we'll see if we can take out those higher highs. MACD has crossed to the downside here, so we'll see if it'll go. Okay, so far so good. Nice little rally here from the 729, and like I had mentioned earlier, that's yesterday's low. The market has retested that, put in this nice, cute little, is cute a good trading word? Nice, cute, higher low, and we're looking for the next one here to be taken out en route to the other side of the dodgeball court. So we'll see. MACD also shows promise here with a nice cross here. Yellow momentum to the upside, above zero, histogram above zero, MACD following through here very nicely. Slight double bottom here, which is a higher low, so reduce risk and eliminate risk and lock in profits. So if your entry is at 929, as we had mentioned, that's a terrific entry place. The 32, we'd take a little offside at 32. At 29, the offside is 3 ticks, so $15. It's not bad offside for the rewards of from 729 to 756. Are pretty decent. That's only times $5 per contract, but offside minimal, and that's what we want for the better trades. Okay, coming up to 19,744 will be a little bit of a resistance area. Let's see if we can get to 749. Should be showing on the chart soon. So we'll just do a quick update. We wanted to see 742 taken out. We got the 742 taken out. We wanted to see look left. 19,744 taken out. We did get 744. It is resistance at 19,745. A little bit of trouble here, and we knew there would be. We'll probably get a pullback back into maybe 736 area. So we're just going to manage this here, lock in some profits. That's what we had said all along, is reduce risk, eliminate risk, and lock in some profits. Target 19,756. All right, nice little pullback down here to the EMA, and we have a little spinning top here on the Heikin-Ashi candles, and that spinning top is indecision, but it's at a support area. MACD still above zero, histogram above zero. We're looking for the, now this here resistance is 19,745, 44 area is pretty heavy duty. So we must eliminate. This here would be the higher swing low, and we'll look to see if that'll hold. And they have quite a bit of resistance to the upside here. The market has quite a bit. The price action candle did take out the high here, so we look for the pullback. Looking for a pullback no more than 736. Okay, the market pulled back down into our 19,736. However, this is a little bit of a higher high here, and it is a higher low. However, this here pullback to here at 741 is also a lower high. So you must have locked in profit by now if you didn't take any money. You may have we lost one contract on pullback, and like I say, this here's a lower high here and a double top, so you must have money locked in. We did get our return here to 19,729, our starting point here, and we'll see if we get an echo trade off of there. And then we had our higher low, and we had our higher high here. So I'll just put some arrows on here to explain that. That'd be the easiest way. And we'll take that one off. That's a mistake. And this one. Okay, so if you have a runner left, just hang on to her. You're in the pecking order, by the way. Pecking order is 19,756. See if we can get there. This will be an echo trade off of that support area. Okay, just a tick away from the target there. As we had mentioned in our room, that we had a series of higher highs right here. That one that took out the 44, it came up to 45, and then we got this here higher low here right back at start, 729 area. And then it retested this one here at the 32. We were looking for, whoops, sorry, I thought I had an ellipse. Let's grab an ellipse, and then it retested this one at our 32, causing gap support. So gap support keeps us in the trade to the long side. The higher highs, looking for the higher lows. We got exactly everything that we were looking for. Money off targets 749 if you took money off there, or locked in. If you locked in, you're trailing this here with your 1, 2, 3 candle trail rule, and 19,756 within just a centimeter of that. Okay, all right, and resistance, heavy duty resistance at 19,755, 755, a little tiny bit of a double top there. This year may take those of you trailing your stops really tight, that may take you out. There's target 19,756. When I said earlier it's New Year's, it's almost New Year's Eve. Almost New Year's Eve. It is the last day, trading day of this year, 2016. My name is Dale Elliott. You're in the Echotraders training room with, so that's echotraders.com. Pass it along. If you like the video, subscribe. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Till next time, trade well, my friends. We'll see you in the new year, January the 3rd. Till then, trade well.